And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree, you just need to learn fast. But here's the trick, don't just learn these tools. Try to with a simple portfolio, not a resume, a portfolio. Watching quietly, and soon someone will DM you. Hi, this is Shashikant Burnwal. Welcome back to my channel. Maybe you just finished your college, or maybe you are stuck in a job that drains you. Maybe you are looking into good jobs in B2B sales. You have sent out hundreds of job applications, updated your resume again and again, watched too many interviews, tips, videos on YouTube, but nothing, no interview calls, no responses from recruiters. And now you are thinking, how do I even get into B2B sales without any experience? Well, here is the good news. You don't need experience, you need a system. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step game plan to land your first B2B sales job, even if you have never sold a thing before. Watch the video till the end and you will get clarity, confidence, and your next action. Let's start with something very basic but important. Why should you even consider B2B sales? Simple. It's one of the fastest growing and most rewarding careers today. Every business, whether it's a startup or a big software company, all needs their sales to grow. And for that, they need people who can talk to customers, understand their problems, and offer solutions. People like you, not experts, but learners, listeners, and achievers. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree, you just need to learn fast, stay consistent, and take smart action. There are people right now, freshers, career switchers, dropouts, who started with zero. They watched free videos, wrote their first cold email, created a mock pitch, and in a few weeks, they were getting real job interviews. Not because they were experts, but because they showed effort, and in sales, effort is currency. But first, let's clear some common beliefs that might be holding you back. Some people think you need a sales degree to get into B2B sales. Completely wrong. Most great B2B sales people come from non-sales backgrounds. Engineers, simple graduates, and whatnot. Another misconception, you need experience. No. What you actually need is the ability to prove that you have learned the basics and that you can be trained. And lastly, sales is all about cold calling. That's outdated thinking. Modern B2B sales is about building trust through smart outreach on LinkedIn, email, even WhatsApp. Cold calling is just one part of the outreach channel. So now that we have busted those myths, let's build your path. The first thing you need to do is learn the basics. Give yourself 7 days, 1 week to understand the world of B2B sales. Learn what a sales development representative SDR does. Understand inbound versus outbound sales. Know the stages of a sales funnel: awareness, interest, decision, action. You will find everything online for free, like on YouTube, HubSpot Academy, and free blogs. Don't just read and speak it aloud. Teach it to a friend. Explain it to yourself in the mirror, because when you can explain it, you start owning it. Now let's move to tools. Because sales today are more digital than ever, you will need to know tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find leads, Apollo.io to build prospect lists and get verified email, HubSpot CRM to track leads, follow-ups, and pipeline, Google Sheets to stay organized. But here's the trick, Don't just learn these tools. Try to use them. Create a sample projects. Let's say you pick 5 companies from any given sector. Then use Apollo to find the decision makers. Note them down in a Google Sheet. Use LinkedIn to write a short connection message. Write one cold email for each. This small task, even if unpaid, makes you more job ready than 90% of other applicants. Now let's make you stand out. How? With a simple portfolio. Not a resume, a portfolio. Think like this. If you want a coding job, what you will do is build an app or website to show that you know how to write codes and build things. Similarly, if you want a B2B sales job, build a work proof that shows that you know how to do research on leads, know how to reach out to them, and know how to talk to them. That will make your profile stand out because today companies want to see what you can actually do and not just read a boring resume. Your portfolio should have 3 things: a cold email sample, short, relevant, and targeted. Second, a 30-second pitch video selling any simple product. Then a sample lead sheet showing 5 to 10 companies and their people list with all contact details with research and notes. Now, when you apply or message a recruiter, attach this portfolio. Your portfolio itself will scream, this person is serious, this person takes initiative, and trust me, in sales, initiative is everything. Now let's talk about experience. You don't have any experience, no problem. Build it quickly. Good thing is, for a quick experience, you don't need to go through the whole job recruitment process. Just check internships on sites like Internshala and reach out to founders of small businesses, startups, solopreneurs who posted these internship requirements there. Connect and message them on LinkedIn. Hey, I love to do this internship. This is my sales portfolio that I built, and within 1 month, I learned lead generation, email marketing, and now it would be great if I can do this internship and contribute to building your sales pipeline. Send 20 such messages. Maybe few will ignore it, a few will say no, but soon you will start receiving positive responses and soon an internship. Now, this internship will accelerate your career. Now, when you are doing internship, there you will do real outreach. You will build lead list, send emails, talk to clients. And now, after this internship, you have real work to talk about in job interviews. And sometimes these internships themselves will turn into full-time jobs. Now, once your internship is over, create a video sharing your experience and learning about your internship. Use that while applying for a full-time job role, and you will start getting more job interviews for these kind of roles. So now when your interviews lined up, let's now talk about how do you prepare for these interviews. Sales interviews are not about degrees. They are about clarity, confidence, and your ability to think on your feet. You might be asked, why do you want to work in B2B sales? Sell me this pen. How would you find leads for our company? What would you do if a prospect says no? Do research on the company before the interview. What they sell, who are their current customers that you will see in their website or in social media posts. See who works in their sales team. what kind of revenue they are making. Use this information in your interview. They will love it because in sales, that is what you are supposed to do. Know your customers, and that will give them confidence that you are very thorough in your approach. When you do mock practice, record yourself. Watch it back. Work on your speaking and answers. That will help you crack any job interview. Now, at last, there is a bonus tip. Here's something that can 10x your chances of getting hired even without applying. Start posting your learning journey on LinkedIn. Seriously, become consistent. Share small updates like day 4 of learning B2B sales. I wrote my first cold email today. Finished HubSpot's outbound sales course. Here's what I learned. Recorded my first 30-second pitch today. Nervous but proud. These small posts show intent, and intent gets noticed. Founders, recruiters, hiring managers, they are all watching quietly. And soon someone will DM you. Hey, I saw your post. Want to talk? That's how visibility works, and it's free. Now let's wrap it up. If you have made it this far in the video, you already have one thing that matters most: willingness to learn. You don't need anybody's permission or connections to build your career in B2B sales. You just need to start. Learn the basics of B2B sales, use the tools, build a mini portfolio, reach out to real people, and share your journey online. That's it. Your first B2B sales job is not months away. It is just one message away. If this video gave you clarity, here is what to do next. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos like this. I am trying to build the largest community of people who want to grow their career in B2B sales. Reach out to me if you need any help in launching your career. I will see you in the next video. Until then, start now and don't stop.